Alright, y'all. Let's look at AERO. And I know in the past on my channel I've been heavily talking about AERO. It's because I am very bullish. And if you've been following Credit Brian on YouTube or even going through Twitter, you're gonna see that everybody's pretty bullish on the base narrative. And that's why AERO has been pumping so hard. Okay, y'all just got to do your own research and look into AERO and everything. But yeah, actually, Credit Brian has a wonderful video. I think he dropped like 2 videos in the past like 3 weeks, kind of detailing out what he looks for in different projects. So he looks at the tokenomics. He looks at the people that are behind the project. I mean, just go to his channel, look at his video, and you're gonna see wonderful information where you can actually see for yourself, right, and not hear from any other influencer. So I'm actually going to link his video in the description below, so you can go to it. Also in the description below, you're gonna see a link to his Discord. You can use my link, and it's been pretty crazy. I mean, his alerts and everything, like the testimonials that I see from his Discord, it's insane. Like, these gains are crazy. Brian called out AERO at like 13 cents, and that's when I got in. And I mean, you can do the math, right? It hit all-time highs at $2, and I got in at 13 cents, and I kind of scaled in at every major dip, so my average is like 23 cents. But this is insanity. Okay, so if y'all saw my last video, from here I kind of projected price to hit this level, this 2 fib level, and then another target at 2.20. okay, I am still expecting price to hit $2.20. However, I believe that if this bullish narrative continues, then I don't see this as too far-fetched. I mean, it's a stretch. Don't get me wrong, it's a stretch, because this is like a 8x multiple in its market cap, and you know, we've seen crazier things happen in the crypto space. So I'm saying, you know, anything can happen, right? But I wouldn't bet everything on it hitting $10. Okay, this is for entertainment purposes only. Okay, so looking at the chart, I am still very bullish on AERO. This huge dip down, this is due to the SEC. Here, let me just pull up the article. Kind of messing everything up for us. If you look at this, judge SEC's claim against Coinbase to move forward. The SEC has sufficiently pleaded that Coinbase operated as an exchange, broker, and a clearing agency, as well as engaged in the unregistered sale of securities. So this is most likely what caused that huge spike down. However, if you also look at the charts and the psychological levels of $2, I could definitely see a lot of people selling at the $2 mark, which causes huge dip down, right? So a lot of the times when you look at stock headlines or even the way that price moves, you're going to see a huge dip, and then you're going to see news come out, right? So, I mean, the news definitely could have spooked larger investors away. That caused this trickle-down effect, but I believe a lot of people had already sell limit orders at the $2 mark, which is a psychological level, okay? This level here is holding, okay? The $1.48 level is holding. So this is a good sign, okay? It took out all of this liquidity right here. And what I am realizing is that the future side doesn't really translate well to the altcoin crypto space, okay? I think Bitcoin more so, yes, but the other alts is mainly driven by the people that are buying and selling. Okay, I mean, don't take my word for it, but that's just what I've been seeing, because a lot of these price movements do make sense if you translate it on the future side, but it's fueled by a lot of people buying and selling. Okay, I wanted to give you all an update on where my wallet is right now. And if you've been following my channel, I don't even remember when the last update I showed y'all was, but it has ballooned up to $15,000. My major investment is in AERO, as you can see here. At one point, this was at $16,000 in returns at the $2 mark. Okay, this is incorrect. I basically helped my buddy purchase some AERO on my wallet, and I transferred it to his wallet. But my net invested is around like 2.1, 2.3K. All right, average price is 23 cents. This is correct. So my all-time returns should be about like $12,000. Okay, that's insanity. That's a 10x return. 10x return. So this is my portfolio here. There's no funny business. I also made a pretty noob mistake where I clicked on a link and I connected my wallet and accidentally hit approve, and it drained one of my meme coins called DGen. Very beginner rookie mistake there. So if you're going to be investing into the crypto space, don't just click any link and buy anything that you see. You've got to do your own due diligence and do your research. And again, I'm not going to go ahead and try to explain what kind of research that you should do. I'm just going to point you to Brian's video because he does a phenomenal job on describing what kind of research that he does and why he was so bullish on certain projects, okay? So let me know in the description below what you all think about AERO, and also let me know other charting that you want to see, and I'll catch you all tomorrow.